Greetings from our Houston office. My name is Benjamin and I'm responsible for projects in North America. One of the projects we want to highlight today is the delivery of two 300-ton transformers to Manitoba. The substation was only reachable by a single road that had a large bridge in it. The bridge did not have the capacity to carry those weights and the transport was not possible. So what did we do? Well, we came up with an alternative solution. We came up with a design to fill the riverbed next to the bridge with limestone and basically build our own bridge. Several layers of eco-matting were used and we sourced only local material that was later removed from the river to bring it back to its original condition. The units were delivered successfully and we could prove that together with our client, if we cannot find the road to success, we just have to build one.